Okay, this is my 2005 Lexus GX470. New to me, I picked it up. My wife was smarter than I was. She noticed the wet carpets on the front end, while the passenger floor seemed damp. I went ahead and got it anyway because I liked it. The first rainstorm starts and I noticed that water is just dripping off the handle right here. So I've taken it apart, trying to figure out where the water's coming in. What I've found, and I think I've isolated the leak to be from the windshield. So if I do a quick water test right here in the middle of the windshield, I pour some in, and I come in here and watch. Within a second or two, there it is. Okay. So it looks as if I have a windshield seal problem somewhere up in the middle, and it was probably going this way too and coming out along the floor over here onto the carpet on this side, but definitely right here. So I'm gonna call my good friend from the windshield replacement company who did my Jeep Cherokee. You can see that video, and I'm gonna get him out here and put in the new windshield, or see if we can just replace this one with a new seal. So wish me luck. One other thing I want to point out that I did test is in the sunroof. So I made sure that I checked these. There's two drain holes here, right here and over there in the corner. So I took this this trimmer line, and you just feed it down into the hole right back in there. See if I can find it. There it is. And I fed it in. There seemed to be no obstruction. I cleared it out. Actually, I'm curious about something. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. The trimmer line comes in and goes down a little tube right here on the edge. You can see it going all the way down. So I cleared that out. I did a water test. Now when I say this is a new 2005, it's actually 17 years old. This is the year 2022, but it looks and rides like new. It's just a dream. So if I pour some water in here, I just pour a little bit here. Okay. It normally shouldn't pool up. It should drain, go right down the pipe that's along the edge there, and come out right underneath the frame. That's how I eliminated the possibility that it was a leak from the sunroof. So pretty sure it's a windshield. So we'll get Adam Appel out here from Glass Ops, and he'll take care of us. Right, hey Adam, good to have you back. Thanks for coming out.
Back again.
Another windshield,
That's
another
right.
day. We're seeing if we can get the glass out to be reused, right?
Yep. Top is about completely broken loose, so good news is not rust. Rust is no issue here.
Oh, that's good.
For sure. It's
just a bad install, or just over
yeah, just
time?
the seal looks to be, they missed completely is what it looks like, or barely touched it where it broke loose.
It's pretty slick. So the string just goes all around it, and then
That's it. And then we reel it back in.
Reel it on the inside.
That's it.
That's cool. You guys want to see what's happening here? He's using a string to slice through all of the whatever you call it, the sealant. What do you call the glue that you use?
Urethane.
Urethane. Have these tools been around your whole career?
No. This thing's only about 3 or 4 years old now, yeah.
Got a full audience today.
That's not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
She's away.
That's it. Yeah, no adhesion.
That's at the top?
From there, yep, that was the top. Yep, driver's side. Exactly where it was
So there's
coming
no...
in. You see where there's no glue? You see
Yeah.
there's glue adhered here. Miss, tiny little spot, tiny little spot.
Okay.
So,
And this glass is okay to
Yeah.
put back in?
it's not gonna hurt it at all.
And you'll
I said,
still
that's
get
up
it. You'll still get a good adhesion.
Oh yeah,
in
yeah,
it?
100%, 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, she'll take this fine.
So does that molding just kind of help keep water out?
It's somewhat. It's just a rain channel. It does channel water, and it's okay if it goes behind it. But
All right, so that's a primer.
it's a primer.
It primes the urethane?
Yeah, it does. It primes the band, yeah, for sure, and the body too, once we get to that point.
You just eyeball the gap replacement kind of?
I'll try to get it left or right correctly and get it the height I want.
Mm-hmm. Looks good. It's like new.
For sure. Absolutely.
Yeah, it does look new.
See your dirt line right here?
Yep.
So that's kind of showing you how much
the
higher
one-
the glass is sitting up now as opposed to how low it was.
So it was down lower.
then. Yes. Ready to go, buddy. Until the next project shows up.
Right.
in my garage.
Yeah, until the next one.
That's right. That's right. Nothing
All
wrong
right.
with that.
Everything is working good and the water is staying out. So if you start seeing water leak into your car, it's a good chance it's from your windshield. So don't forget to check that. All right, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.